Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can turn off SOS only on your iPhone. Now just follow these simple steps and you will be able to turn off SOS only on your iPhone. So let me show you guys the first method. I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 ways on how you can solve this problem. Now the first thing guys you need to do is to turn on the airplane mode. Okay, like a lot of people, okay, now you have to turn on the airplane mode like this and wait like 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute or 30 seconds. Okay, and then you wanna turn it off and see if the problem is resolved. Now if this problem is still on your iPhone, you still have SOS only on your iPhone, then that's probably you have something wrong with your SIM card. You have to take SIM card from your iPhone and see if there is something wrong with it. Probably there is a scratch or anything like that. Now after that you want to just put it back on your iPhone and turn off your iPhone completely and turn it on again and see if the problem is resolved. If not, then you have to go to a store or online and ask for a new SIM card. That's the only solution guys you have, is to ask for a new SIM card and put it on your phone, because probably you have a problem with your SIM card. So hopefully this video guys helped you. Like I said, go to a store and ask, buy a SIM card. And I hope guys this video helped you. Drop a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment.